Alright, what's good, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video, man. Dude's got the whole biker outfit on. It's wild. I'm heading to Target because I gotta get a hand mirror. I cut my own hair, so I have to get a mirror because I lost my hand mirror for some reason. And I gotta get it for the back of my head, obviously. I need a mirror to see what's going on back there. So that's what we're doing. Then we're heading to the gym. So, hope you had a good day, man. Car warm up a little bit and then throw it in sport. There's a cop up here, so hopefully every time I drive with this GoPro on my head, I worry about like a cop looking at me and thinking I'm, I don't know, filming wild drives or something, reckless driving. So I don't want them to see it. Just try to avoid cops where possible, you know. I think that's advisable. Fast bike. Don't really know motorcycles like that, but yeah. I will say the Bmw S1000RRs are very cool. I used to be interested in getting a bike until a guy I knew crashed and is no longer with us. So yeah, stuff like that kind of changes your perspective a little bit. All right, target, here we come. All right, got my mirror. We are good to go. I guess since there's so much traffic, I should probably drink my pre-workout. I should probably drink it a while ago. But, wow. That little go-kart thing was sick. Nice AMG. Well, not much driving, I guess. Whole lot of traffic. Hopefully this time next year, I can look back on this video and be thankful that I was able to buy a house and get out of the city where there's unbelievable amounts of traffic. So just gotta keep working, man. Keep working hard. They're putting in a Taco Bell right there, right outside the gym. Just terrible for my health. I don't know if it's gonna be built anytime soon. My lease is up in July, I want to say, so I don't know if I'll be around by the time it's in, but I'm excited to get some junk food from there every now and then. Good old 24-hour fitness. You know the deal. I'm about to get this workout in. Hit the sauna probably. I think I'm lucky enough to have my girlfriend cook dinner tonight. Making enchiladas. Just fire meal. One of my favorites. But gotta get this workout in, bro. This workout in. After a long day of grinding at work, you can't neglect the body. So what we're about to do. I don't really have much of a plan. We're kind of gonna piece it together when we get in there, but yeah, man. As always, bro, thanks for riding with me. Sorry that the traffic was pretty bad today, so everybody's getting off work, hustling home. So, but tomorrow's Wednesday. Tomorrow we're halfway through the week, that much closer to the weekend. I unfortunately got to pick up a weekend shift on Saturday, so don't really have a weekend personally, but as always, bro, appreciate you watching. Thanks for riding with me, and until next time, drive safe.